Hi guys, here's STEMX, and I'm Seven, the most powerful man of this team. And so here's the rest of us.
Hello, my name is Hung. I'm in charge of building the model for our platform and giving detailed instruction for the prototype team. Nice to meet you.
Hi, you can call me Chi. I'm also the prototype maker and the coolest person in this group.
Hi there, my name is Quinto. I am a key designer in this group, and I have a role as a supporter in a prototype team.
So that is our introduction. And thank you for giving us the opportunity to present about our solution for the problem we have chosen. And to deal with the challenge of using cloud computing technology to assess the students' level or application of knowledge to take action, we actually want to choose a new type of new method of learning in order to create an active learning platform by learners, taking advantage of idle resources from people with knowledge of a certain fields, but they don't have to be an expert or a professional teacher. And they're just the one who willing to share the knowledge with the others. Well, the connection between the users and the content creators going to be similar as the social media are, but take the advantage of their already successful business model like Grab or Uber.
So next, I will show you about the prototype and how it works. Welcome to our learning support platform. First, to access this platform, you need to register an account. Once you have filled in the information, a confirmation code will be sent to your email. Now the screen will display questions, so we can know which field you are interested in. Here's an example. When you choose a skill outside of school, choose a career skill, choose a specialized skill, a technical field, web-related IT. You will be asked about your qualifications. If your qualification is professional, you will receive an invitation to become a content creator and need to pass a test to be able to become a content creator. When you have completed a field, you will be asked if you are interested in any other fields. Okay, so I will choose to study the main course of math, algebra, grade 12 program of applied level. When you are no longer interested in any other field, you will be directed to our homepage. Homepage is where you can discover training lessons that match your interests and explore new areas. This bell button on the top right corner will be an invitation for you to be a content creator, but take the test when you are ready. Next is the search page. You can search for fields of study by filter on level and format as shown on the screen. Next is your list. There will be a chat icon here. Clicking on it, a graph of your study time for the week and a graph of your average score by month will appear, so you can easily track your academic progress. Here, we already have a graphic programming lesson that when clicked, it will show the level of the web programming lesson and the list of lessons to learn. There are two ways to sort the list. One is in the order suggested by the creator of the lesson, and two is in the order that you want to learn and sort by yourself. When clicking on a list, it will show the name of each lecture along with the content creator avatar on the right side. And at the bottom, is your learning progress indicated by a dummy at the starting line, and the end of the path is destination when you have completed all the lessons. When you want to interact with the content creators and ask questions, you will click on their avatar, and the screen shows a page for you to chat, to call, to send videos, pictures, and to record. Back to the web programming lesson. At the top right is your timetable. This is where you can schedule your reminders. There are two ways to use this timetable. The first way is that you will make a list of things to do and tick it when you are done. Second is that you will schedule a study time. For example, at 9 o'clock you have to learn web programming lesson number 3. This platform will notify you. Back to the main screen. The last item is the profile section. This is where you can choose your role. Our platform has two roles, a learner or a content creator. The content creator is the one who uploads the lessons. Because of the limited time, so we will invest in the development of the learner first. This is a platform needs to be created to help learner upload faster. But if we can go on, we believe that the content creation will be developed extremely good. Also, in your profile, there is a diary. This is where you store your creations. For example, after completing a programming course, you will create a playlist named programming or whatever name you want and upload images, videos, documents depending on your preference. After that, you can leave it open and edit it at any time you want. Finally, when you have finished using this platform, you can go back to the home page and press the three-bar button to choose to log out, and we are back to the login page. Now, you just need to log in to be able to use our platform.
First, to run all of that front-end pages, at the start, we want to collect the data from user and students' decisions. And those data will come to then selected by a trained AWS artificial intelligence. And here we also have the tags and description for content creator or teacher wrote for the particular lectures. The trained AWS artificial intelligence then scanning for the most similar lectures for that specific students, and then the selected lectures will then appear in the list for you as we have wrote it in the prototype. Then we have here a diagram shows how teachers and students work in the main part of the platform. All the information of teachers and student can be arranged in DynamoDB. The teachers here have to enter to the IP gateway to Lambda, and this gonna help us to arrange all of these content creators, have some filter in order to rank them and to give them stars. So like to rank these content creators from good to bad according to our own ranking standard. We already have the problem about the numbers of content creators you're gonna have when we using this business model. So we already choose Carform and SBAR to storing and uploading all of the lectures and information that teachers want as they enter to the electric device, give to the Lambda and then to the DynamoDB. Here we want the students to be our main object, so we don't want them to experience bad just because of Wi-Fi and internet connection. So here you choose direct connections to then connect to the Lambda also in order to create a better user experience for the student without any problem with the internet connections or the Wi-Fi connections.
So I know what you are probably thinking right now. There are tons of learning platforms out there. What makes our platform so special? In order to show our unique points, I will make a comparison between our learning platforms and another famous learning platform, Coursera. So the first point I want to make is that in our platform, users have more control in the way they want to learn. They can design their own playlists. As you can see here, on the left side, our learning platforms allow the learners to create their self-made list. And on the right side, Coursera only allows their learners to learn their recommended playlist. The second point is our users can understand better about their learning habits because our platforms analyze the user's learning time and make charts to demonstrate the collected data. While in Coursera, they only allow you to set the time to study. The third point is that our search bar is more convenient. Our users can search for single videos about the lesson they want to learn instead of going through the whole course just to find one lesson. Our users can also keep track of their personal projects by using diary. And personally, I think this is one of the functions that I haven't found in any other learning platforms. And I know that they are rich when we allow our users to upload their projects on our platform. But I think in the future, we can overcome this problem. And finally, our users can have more interactions with the content creators. They can use chatbot to communicate with content creators. I see that Coursera can help their users communicate with content creators, but not personally like our platform did.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. And Albert Einstein once said, everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it has lived its whole life believing that it is stupid. So we, the STEMX, believe that each of us have our own potential, our own ability, and our own way of learning a new thing. So we create this platform to help these people to find what is really suitable for their potential. Remember,
We
are
The
STEMX.